Label.m Intensive Repair Shampoo and Conditioner, 300 ml. Label.m Intensive Repair Shampoo. Intensive repair for seriously damaged hair and formulated with the Soy-Oat-Amino complex. Intensively repairs all 3 layers of the hair whilst the exclusive Enviroshield Complex protects vulnerable hair against damage from heat styling and UV rays. Label.m Intensive Repair Conditioner offers intensive repair for seriously damaged hair and formulated with the Soy-Oat-Amino complex. Intensively repairs all 3 layers of the hair whilst the exclusive Enviroshield Complex protects vulnerable hair against damage from heat styling and UV rays. About US, Label.m is the official hair care product of the London Fashion Week. Is an award-winning fashion-inspired range developed by professional stylists under the creative eye of a dynamic international artistic team led by Tony Mascalo and Sasha Mascalo-Tarbuck. The mission is to inspire and nurture creativity and individuality in professional stylists and clients around the world. The many years of product development experience combined with the legendary artistic team's vision fuel the development of new styling techniques and dynamic product innovations that epitomize the latest couture and fashion trends through hair. Pantene Pro-V Ultimate 10 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner 25.4. Collections ready to take the dare to get your healthiest hair ever? Since 1945, Pantenes' passion has been healthy, lustrous hair, giving you everything you need to let your hair shine. Pantene has the answer to all your hair questions, offering a range of solutions to meet your hair needs and achieve healthy, flawless, oh so shiny strands. Find the Pantene that works for you, and experience for yourself why Pantene is the world's #1 hair care brand. Pantene, dare to give your hair the gold standard. This season, the hottest hair news is coming from Pantene, one of the most loved hair care brands in history. Check out the amazing hair health infusions and luscious treatments. Discover for yourself why Pantene is the #1 hair care brand in the world based on 2012 volume sales data worldwide. Dare to go big for 24 hours. Volume collection, turn flat hair into thick, full 24-hour volume with a plumping effect inspired by collagen. 3-step system of volume shampoo, conditioner, and root lifting spray gel. Dare to go 72-hour smooth. Smooth system, stay smooth all summer. Moroccan argan oil in a Pro-V system helps lock out humidity and keeps frizz from forming. Smooth shampoo and conditioner system. Dare to erase the damage of 100 blow dries. Daily moisture renewal. The Pro-V system nourishes to help lock in moisture and fight blow-dry damage. Damage to smoothness and shine. Dare to fight fade wash after wash. Pantene Color Preserve Shine gives color-treated hair a new protective outer layer and leaves hair vibrant. Dare to do the style, not the damage. Pantene Pro-V Stylers, try Pantenes' complete line of styling products. A full range of Pro-V formulas to smooth, add volume, protect, or hold your hair healthy style all day. Keratherapy Keratin Infused Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner 10.1 ounces. This moisture shampoo and conditioner duo revitalizes the hair's natural protective layer, adds strength, restores elasticity, and reduces breakage. Shiseido Tsubaki Damage Care Limited Edition for Tsubaki 10th. I absolutely love this product. I have really frizzy hair and it takes me about 45 minutes to straighten it every morning. I bought this shampoo back in August in Chinatown and I couldn't have made a better choice. It leaves my hair silky and smooth. I have tried all brands of shampoo without any luck, but this one definitely did the trick along with the spray. I no longer need to spend money on keratin treatments because I have found my solution. If you're like me, have really thick frizzy hair, then you should definitely give it a try. It's worth the money. Cressy Deer Beauty Oil Shampoo and Conditioner and Treatment. I very like this shampoo, Smell very good, don't make my hair itching. If oily hair don't use conditioner, normal hair use less conditioner. Conditioner very good for dry hair, treatment oil make your hair strong, shine. John Frieda Sheer Blonde Go Blonder Lightening Shampoo and Sheer Blonde Go Blonder Lightening Shampoo and Conditioner gradually lighten blonde hair for a year-round sun-kissed look while restoring moisture and healthy softness. Versatile, patent-pending formula with citrus and chamomile works with styling heat to gradually lighten and brighten for a natural-looking, blonder blonde. Contains thermoprotectant. Patent-pending technology combines fixative and conditioning polymers that retain hydrogen peroxide, allowing for control of lightening. Visibly lightens in 3-5 uses. Wella Balsam Conditioning Shampoo for Extra Body 16 ounces. This Wella Balsam Conditioning Shampoo for Extra Body is 100% oil-free blend of cleansers and conditioners, contains special ingredients which help make hair look thicker and full of body. Its rich, fragrant lather cleans gently yet thoroughly. Wella Conditioning Shampoo washes hair shiny clean, leaves it beautifully manageable and easy to comb.